Look at this channel. It makes simple quiz videos for kids, and each video gets millions of views. It seems like an ordinary thing, but according to Social Blade, this channel is earning $29,000 a month. There are other channels doing the same thing. As you know, videos for kids are extremely popular, which is why these people are making so much money. In this video, I will show you how to create kids quiz videos like this using ChatGPT and CapCut and earn serious money by uploading them on YouTube. So without further ado, let's dive in. Open the browser and navigate to ChatGPT. I want to create a kids quiz video for YouTube. Give me 10 quizzes for kids. Make sure the quizzes are easy for kids but slightly challenging. Provide 4 options for every question, labeled A, B, C, and D. At the end, provide the list of answers. Press enter and ChatGPT will provide the quiz and answers. Now, we need some visuals to create our video. Open a new tab and go to Vecteezy. Search for spiral background and select free from the license type in the left panel. This will show videos that can be used as backgrounds for quiz videos. Open the video you want to use and download it for free. Next, we need a countdown timer. Go to giffer.com and search for countdown. You will see many timers here. Choose one that fits your video and click Download GIF to save it. Now, we need to create a rectangle for the answers background. Open photop.com, a free online alternative to Photoshop. Click New Project and create a new project with any ratio. Select the rectangle tool from the left side panel and draw a rectangle. Move the dot slightly inward to round the corners, which looks better. Click on this eye icon to turn off the background. Then click on the fill option to choose the rectangle color. I'll keep it white. Click on File and select Save as PNG to download the rectangle without background. Now, select the rectangle again, change the fill color to green, and export it as a PNG. Now that we have everything needed to create our video, let's gather all the elements and create a quiz video together. Minimize the browser and open CapCut, create a new project and import the background video, timer, and rectangles. First, add the background video to the timeline. Adjust the layout in CapCut if needed. We need to add some text. Drag the default text to the timeline. Type, choose the right answer. Adjust its size and position. Select a bold font, like I am choosing the modern font, and apply a preset style to add a background to the text. Add another text layer, reduce its size, and return to ChatGPT to copy the question. Paste the question into CapCut. Adjust its size and position accordingly. To avoid disturbing the background, lock it. Add the white rectangle to the timeline, adjust its size and position, and duplicate it while holding the Alt key. Set the positions of the duplicates, creating a total of 4 rectangles. Select all 4 and press Alt+G to make them a compound clip. Add a text layer for the answers. Change the text color to black because the background is white. Select a suitable font and set its position. Copy the first option from ChatGPT and paste it into CapCut, adjusting the size and position. Create 4 duplicates, adjusting their positions. Copy and paste the remaining 3 options and adjust their positions as well. Adjust the length of all timelines to be the same. Add the timer to the timeline and position the playhead where the time starts. Press Q to cut the unwanted starting part. Go to the Mask tab, select a circular mask, and adjust its size and position. Play it back to check. Since it looks incomplete without a sound effect, go to the Audio tab, search for a timer sound effect, play and select one that suits your video, then add it. Sync the sound effect with the timer video. If it seems like the timer starts late, select both the timer and sound effect and move them slightly forward. Add animation to all visuals to make them appear nicely. Start with this layer, select an animation, and apply it. Add a suitable animation to the question layer, like Type 2. For options, select all layers, make them a compound clip, and add a zoom out animation with a duration of 0.3 seconds. At the end of the timer, we need to change the color of the rectangle for the correct answer, so it's easily identifiable. Since the answer is B, cut the rectangle where the timer ends and add a green rectangle in its place. Adjust its position and delete the remaining part. Select all the rectangles and create a compound clip. Add a fade-in animation to this clip and adjust its duration as needed. Add a victory sound effect where the rectangle color change indicates the correct answer. You can find such sound effects on YouTube or other websites. Adjust the volume of both sound effects. After the answer, do not keep the same content for too long as it reduces engagement. Delete the unnecessary parts. Add a whoosh sound effect at the beginning of the video for animation. After adding, adjust it according to the video. Now we need to generate voiceovers for the questions. Select the question layer, go to the top right corner, and choose Text to Speech. Listen to the available voice actors and select one that fits your video.
How many legs do spiders have?
Click Start Reading to generate the voiceover for your question. Once one quiz is ready, there's no need to redo everything for the other quizzes. Instead, copy all the tracks except the voiceover. Place the playhead at the end of the timeline and press Ctrl+C and Ctrl+V to duplicate the layers. Change the question by selecting the question layer, copying it from ChatGPT, and pasting it into CapCut. Right-click the options layer and uncompound it. Copy all options from ChatGPT and paste them into CapCut, adjusting their positions and sizes. Make them a compound clip again and add the same animation. Uncompound the rectangles clip. Since the right answer has changed, delete the green rectangle and adjust the white rectangle's length. As we know the correct answer is now C, adjust the length of the C rectangle to match the timer. Add a green rectangle in its place and adjust its position. Select all rectangles and create a compound clip with a fade-in animation. Generate the voiceover for the new question using the same voice.
What do you call a baby frog?
I think everything looks good. You can make further adjustments if necessary. Otherwise, click Export. Title your video, select the location, set the resolution to 4K, and export the video. Our video is ready. Let me show you the final result.
How many legs do spiders have? What do you call a baby frog?
That's the end of this video. If you found it valuable, please smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. Have an amazing rest of your day, and I'll see you all in the next one.